Overall, a challenging week for the stock index future strategies. Tick count trend 2 was one of the highlights, though, of the week. You see it capturing these counter trend trades. You see the market. Let's point out some things on this market just before we go over the daily results. You see it making a high up here on the holiday gap up session, and you see market gap down, rally back, gap down, rally back. So Wednesday and Thursday looked almost identical. You get this gap down and then it just propping up, and then today you get a gap up, you get this sell off and then prop up. Let's rescue this market. Let's not let it sell off in the afternoon or after the morning sell off. Let's just come in here and buy this dip and hold this market up. Typically you see that at lower levels. Right now there seems to be just a massive amount of a desire to prop it up at very high levels so that there's market just closed, absolutely no pullback whatsoever. And so that creates a lot of chop. What you see here also maybe is a classical head and shoulders pattern. Not that I trade those, not that I don't call tops and bottoms based on head and shoulders, but it's something to note, as others may try to take trades based on that, but none of our strategies are trade based on head and shoulders. So really tightly wound market this week. You see the let's see, here's Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. There's the Monday gap up. A lot of times, as they push it up during the holidays, light volume, get their agenda done, and then just a really choppy pullback. So it's difficult when the market chops a lot, and it chops a lot when it's pulling back. And so that's what we're seeing lately. It made for a challenging trading week in the stock indexes. So let's go over the trades on the day. We have tick count trend. Let's say it's highlight. A lot of little trades there, plus 612.50 on the day. Tick pulse, minus 625. Adaptive moving average continues to struggle, minus 1100. Always on the wrong side of the trade lately. 60-minute breakout short, plus 112.50. Those are the base ES strategies. We have more in the beta workspaces. Tick pullback in Q. I thought this one might do well for us. Market pulled back like it would rally, and then it pulled back again. So all this propping up didn't really help the market overall. What we're talking about is propping up on Wednesday, propping up on Thursday, and then no follow through to the upside. You see one of these scenarios here that I've been testing is if the market is propped up like this, should you short it? And you could have the last couple of days short it here on the close, and then capture this, and then take your profit at the open, and then it's propped up again, short it on the close, take a little bit of heat, and then get out here at these as it sells off. And so kind of a deceptive move. That's a false move. Advanced decline line was down on these days. It was up on Friday. So just a little strategy consideration talk there. Tick pullback did not fall through. Down on the day, minus 725. We had tick count trending Q plus 575. Tick pulsing Q minus 625. Cobra 3 minus 625. Challenging market for Cobra 3. Gap continuation 2019 minus 975. 3 losing trades. Just no follow through. Just pull back and prop. And so stock index swing, good trade, plus 475 here. And we had beta B workspaces, VSD and Q, strong trend overnight. I was surprised to see it. We had these sell-off prop ups, and then we finally got some selling here. I thought it would follow through on the downside, but there's overnight propping and then sell off during the day. So VSD, no profits on that. Gap continuation in Q, big stop loss. Stopped out here, no follow through. Creating the Choppy EVP2 gold. Minus 525 on the day, and tick fader, the counter trend. Counter trend strategies did well. As you see, tick count trend 2, tick fader plus 375 on the day. And EVP1, it's currently short. Got that sell off right there. So beta C workspace, we had that nice trade yesterday in gap continuation. You see that there. No trades on tick waves. We had 60-minute breakout in QB. One of the profitable strategies on the day, hitting 955 on the day. VSDES minus 575. Crude oil, we had Cobra Crude aggressive trade today, minus 725. That was the only crude trade today after having a pretty good week in crude oil. No trades in natural gas. RBOB, no trades. Gold. We had a mix of trades in gold. The SR Countertrend 2, V2M, 1M, 5M, and 1M and 5M were down on the day, minus 725. SR Countertrend 2 gold plus 475. SR Countertrend 4 gold plus 475. SR Countertrend 3 gold A plus 475. Gold B minus 825. And then Cobra Gold was up on the day, plus 575. So a mixture of winners and losers in gold. And then we had silver, no trades on the day. Euro, plus 200. Exhaust and reverse, minus 275 on the day. Trying to buy that dip. And so it acts like it's going to rally, but it doesn't rally. It doesn't sell off, and it doesn't rally. It just chops. So chop. Soybeans, difficult market to trade today as well. Got short, got stopped out, reversed to long. Got stopped out. So choppy soybeans trade. This should roll to I believe May next. We'll see. Grains day trader 3, no trades today. And so those are the trades on the day. Starting to wonder if we should just take the entire holiday week off. If there is a holiday during the week for the stock indexes. Monday was President's Day. Should we just take the entire week off because it's just been a choppy week, that kind of week. So been some power outages and internet outages and trade station disconnects this week. So overall, not one of my favorite weeks. Looking forward to next week's trade. And these are the trades on the day for February the 19th, 2021.